These gas packs are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier and are sold through dealers in the USA. The PY4G units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation and have a 13.4 SEER cooling efficiency with an 81% AFUE heating efficiency. They use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil, and R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The units use direct spark ignition, which is not as reliable as brands that use hot surface ignition. They use stainless steel tubular heat exchangers which resist corrosion, and they can either be slab mounted or easily field converted for rooftop installation. The guarantee is not as good as many other brands, with only a 20-year warranty on the heat exchanger and no unit replacement guarantee. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.